And for example 5, it looks like we're doing kilograms to pounds. Okay, kilograms to pounds. That means we are going to use the weight, the mass and weight in the middle, okay? That middle conversion there. For D, we have cups to milliliters, 7.44 cups to milliliters. 1 cup is 236.59 milliliters. There's our ratio. Let's fill out our centimeters, our cups, okay? And if 1 is 236, then 7 needs to be multiplied by this so we know how many 7.44 are, right? So we're going to go and take our 7.44 times 236.59, and that's going to give us our milliliters. It's going to equal 1,760.2296, but we have to go to the nearest hundred. Yeah, definitely this 9 is going to change this to a 3. Okay, so our answer is 1,760.23 milliliters. Now we're going to explore pounds to kilograms. Pounds to kilograms. Okay, pounds to kilograms. That's our ratio right here, 1 to 0.4536. So you remember in question D how we wanted to figure out how many cups we have in milliliters. So we took the number of cups and we multiplied by milliliters, which was milliliters was down here, 236.59. We multiplied it by that, right? But we have to do the same thing now. We have to take this amount, 22.09 pounds, and multiply it, because in here we want to change this to kilos, right? We want to change this to kilos. So we want to see how many of these are in here, right? So we have to change this to kilos. For every one of these, it's going to be this amount, so we multiply it, where we have 0.4536. So we're going to multiply this number, okay, of pounds to change it to kilos. It's the same idea of multiplying a number times a fraction. When you multiply a number times a fraction, you're going to get the fraction of that number. So when I multiply, I get 10.02. Okay, 22.09 times 0.4536, I get 10.302. So I'm getting this fraction from this number, and it's 10. That's why it's less. And that's in kilograms, of course, kgs. Now we're going to do liters to gallons, and liters to gallons. Let's see where liters to gallons is. Gallons, there's our gallons to liters. 1 is 3.79. So 1 gallon, okay, 1 gallon is the same as 3.79 liters. Okay, we have this many liters here, and we want to see how many gallons there are. Remember, this is the number of gallons in liters, so we want to see how many of these are in here. So by now you should know that we have to divide. We get 9.459 gallons. Now remember, we have to round to the nearest hundredth. This is above 5, so it's going to change this number to a 6. Okay, so 9.46 gallons. Okay, for example 6, go ahead and read it through, and you'll see how they're doing the conversions. Now you can follow these steps, or you can simply figure out the ratio and multiply or divide your own way. Here we have the guided practice. Please leave the guided practice for class so we can do it together. But please complete the independent practice. Remember to use the conversion table that you'll find on page 320. Okay, it's on page 320, the conversion table.